So guys, make sure to stay until the end, because if you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts, diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stay until the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you guys need to find where the Climatronic relay is located, which two relays we need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Well, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So guys, the Climatronic relay, where you can find it, you have two of them. We'll explain now on that Dodge Challenger where you can find it guys. Quick reminder, most people that own that generation Dodge Challenger do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it, so we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Dodge Challenger. First we need to open the hood, and facing the engine guys, here on the left side you see that's the passenger side, we have a fuse box. Press these two tabs, open that cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what we need to check specifically: one relay in this one relay in a different fuse box. Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here guys, okay, starting this way, that's relay 40, 41, 42, 43. Relay 43 is okay, important relay that you need to check. Then open the trunk, and on the bottom of the trunk, pull the carpet liner up. You have underneath the spare tire, car battery. Here behind it you have a fuse box, so go ahead guys, okay, that's a fuse box behind the car battery. Press that tab here and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. And now specifically what we need to check here, one more relay guys, we're talking about relay 71. That one here will be the one that you will need to check. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.